Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to figure out where to place a signature field in Docusign, today's guide is going to make it crystal clear. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the easiest, foolproof way to add a signature field to any document. Whether you're sending out a contract, a form, or an agreement, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. Access Docusign. First, open your favorite web browser and go to docusign.com. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your credentials. If you're brand new, click Sign Up and create a free or paid account. It only takes a minute. Start your document or template. Once you're inside your dashboard, you have two choices. You can upload a brand new document by clicking Start Arrow, Send an Envelope, or you can use an existing template. Templates are a huge time saver if you send similar documents often, so don't skip this option if it fits your workflow. Add recipient details. Next, fill in the basics. Enter the recipient's name and email address. This is the person who needs to sign. If you need multiple signers, you can add them here as well. Double check the details so the email goes to the right inbox. Proceed to field placement. After your recipients are added, click Next. This takes you to the field configuration screen. Think of this as your digital workspace where you can drag and drop exactly what you need. Add the signature field now for the most important part. In the left-hand toolbar, find the signature field. Click it once, then drag it to the exact spot in the document where you want your signer to place their signature. You can resize or reposition it until it's perfect. Need initials or dates too? Those options are right there beside the signature field. Just drag them in the same way. Review and send. When everything looks good, click Send. Docusign will automatically email the recipient, guiding them step by step to sign electronically. You'll get a notification as soon as they finish, and your document is legally signed and stored securely in your account. And that's it. Is adding a signature field in Docusign really is that simple. In just a few minutes, you've transformed a regular document into a ready-to-sign digital agreement. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.